Do you have anything upgraded on electrical?
Big 3.
The big 3? Okay. I saw a little. Sweet. Is that a 8-inch?
Yes, sir. I do believe.
Really?
I need to get it tuned already.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, man, what's your name real quick and what's in here?
Dale Cox. I got 2 Custom Built Zv4 18s rated at 5K RMS, being pushed with 2 Tolerant HD 3Ks. Second battery, big 3. Stock alternator, need aftermarket.
Okay. Do you know if they're dual 1, dual 2, dual 4? Or what is it wired to?
They're dual 4 wired to 2.
Okay.
Pushing about 2200 per side.
Are these amps the 1 or 2 ohm version? 1 ohm. Okay.
They're 2 ohm.
Yeah, so you're getting a little less power?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you know your tuning on the box?
35 hertz. 8 cubic.
Looks like you did some, either you or somebody else, but who did the box work? It looks good. You added some extra baffles to it?
Yes, sir.
Did that help?
Triple.
Very
Good
nice.
bracing.
Awesome. Is there a way I can see the back real quick, man?
Of course. Definitely ain't the best.
It's all good, man. Hey, you got it to play? Do you have anything upgraded on electrical?
Big 3.
The big 3? Okay. I saw a little. Sweet. Is that a 8-inch?
Yes, sir. I do believe.
Really?
I need to get it tuned lower. It definitely sounds a lot better.
What is it like in frequency-wise?
I think I'm peaking at 42 hertz, which is really high for 18.
So I'm guessing this was, what was this, a box for 315s or 4? Or?
Box for 412s. I refaced it for 218s. 2 3/4 inch pieces of birch.
Yeah.
On top of 3/4 inch birch for 412.
Okay. Hey, it worked. You made it work.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Hey, I appreciate it.
By a guy named Rob in Brunswick. And they've been on 10K RMS per sub. I'm only pushing them on $2 grand right now.
Yeah.
Definitely need some sound editing, better alternator, and more power. Zv4 motors, TI baskets, 8-layer, coils, I think triple stalkers.
Oh yeah. Definitely can handle more power when you get it. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go ahead and give it a like for him, man. If you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Dale's system, about to show y'all a pretty impressive demo, even though he's running on stock electrical. This was at the local Dublin, Georgia show, Small Town Showdown, in 2021, getting to uploading it finally. If you haven't already, like I mentioned, give him a like. He did a really good job. Wasn't expecting to showcase this system at the show on the video for YouTube, but he met with me and he's a subscriber, so I figured why not? Let's go ahead and share it. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. Not the prettiest system by no means, and he made it work from his previous build where he had 4 12-inch subwoofers in this actual box. Double layered on the top. Actually makes this subwoofer box a little bit more sturdy, going from a prefab structure to a little bit more additional bracing with that double baffle. And having the box inverted with the subwoofers, so that gives it a little bit more space. Anybody that has a smaller box, always recommend inverting the subs if you can. That makes your box a little bit bigger. Feel for the subs in the enclosure, as well as it probably most likely will get louder and lower. And he was running a stock electrical system with amplifiers actually protecting during this demo you'll see later. Wasn't expecting to have the amp protect, but he did mention it that he is going to probably have the amps going to protect because of the voltages dropping so low, and his dash was actually resetting from so much voltage drop. Don't recommend ever running an amplifier down into the dirt 10 to 11 volt range. Very dangerous, can actually cause clipping damage to your subwoofers as well as damage to your amplifiers. But he wanted to get it on video and share it for y'all, so be sure to give him a thumbs up. You did a good job there, Dale. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos on my channel every day. I'm JacobViral, and enjoy the demo. Sounds good. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
You might jump into protect.
Uh-oh. How,
Way too
what are you
much.
dropping down to? Do you have a voltage meter?
I ain't got a
You don't know?
clue.
Uh-oh.
Enough to reset the dash.
Yeah. Oh, man.
They getting a little smelly.
Yeah. And let's let it cool off then. I appreciate the demo, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.